Allama Iqbal, the poet-philosopher of Muslim revival. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, born in November 1877 in Sialkot, Punjab, was one of the true intellectual giants of the 20th century. From a young age, he was deeply influenced by his father's religious devotion and began his journey in a local madrasa. His quest for knowledge later took him to England, where he studied philosophy and law, and ultimately to Germany, where he completed his doctorate. Iqbal was much more than a scholar. He was a visionary poet, philosopher, and advocate for the unity of Muslims worldwide. Alongside figures like Sheikh Nabhani, Maududi, Sayyid Qutb, and Hassan al-Banna, Iqbal sought to awaken the Muslim Ummah to reclaim its heritage and strive for greatness. He urged Muslims to live by the Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, believing these were essential for their revival through his powerful poetry and philosophical insights. Iqbal inspired countless individuals, calling for spiritual awakening and a return to Islamic values. Today, he is celebrated not only as a poet, but as a leader who left an indelible mark on Muslim thought, symbolizing hope, strength, and a renewed commitment to the unity and progress of the Muslim world.